Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shiko. If it's your first time here, you're very much welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a vlog. It's been a long time since I did that. Actually, I had done a lot of vlogs. I had like 3 vlogs waiting to be uploaded, but my phone was stolen with all my videos, and I had not backed up, so I lost all that content. But today is a brand new day and we are going to be doing a vlog. I'm going for a birthday party in Afrosayari and I'm doing makeup on a client. My sister is shocked, she didn't know. I'm going to be doing makeup on that client, but I'm also attending the birthday party, and I want to show you guys the place. It's such a beautiful place. If you haven't been to Afrosayari, keep on watching because you're going to love the place. So I'm just going to get ready, do a bit of makeup, look cute, and I'll be back.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
I am finally ready. I feel so good. I recently sent my hair to be washed and styled. It was a straight, the wig was straight, but I had it washed and they put some waves on it and I am loving it. I'm gonna tag the Instagram shop of the place I sent it to. I think they're called Wig Kit Queen on Instagram. So I'm gonna send it so that if you want your wig fixed, you could send it to them. So yes, I am ready to leave now. I'm just gonna have my breakfast and we are off. Hey guys, I finally left the house, heading out now. I am looking cute. Yani I feel myself. Na mkiniona tu hivi nikijisikia hapa. I am late. I was supposed to be at Afro Sayari by 11:12. Now it's 1:10. Na ndo naharakisha hapa kwenda kwa gari. Uwe. Anyway, at least I'm looking cute. You know, better late, better. Inasemangwa aje, better late than ugly. Whatever it said. At least I'm showing up looking cute. So let's go. Akisi mtu akuja nipe lift. Nywele nayo ndo iko uso. Okay. I'm hoping I won't take a lot of time in the matatu before it gets full. And I'm also hoping there is no traffic so that I'll get there on time. But yes, let's go. So I'm wearing a white dress. That's my makeup kit. Yellow shoes. Black leather jacket. Theme was black, white, and gold. So gold is represented in my earrings. Hey guys, so nimefika. I am finally here. I just alighted the matatu. Actually there was crazy traffic. Nika kila mtu anaenda ushago. Watu waliamua sasa tumefunguliwa. We are going home. Yani napatana tu na watu kwa streets na mabag. Anyway, I'm here. Let me show you guys how the entrance looks like so that if you want to come here, you won't get lost. This is the road that is connecting from Utawala, Ruai. And so you pass the Ruai bypass and now this is going to Thika Road, Ruiru bypass. So between that road, there's that petrol station over there, a Shell petrol station. And then now there's this huge billboard that's normally here. And this is also this thing here that shows us that you are here at Afrosayari. So you wouldn't get lost. It's just along the road. And you won't miss that billboard and then you won't miss this. Yeah, so we are here. I need to hurry up so that I can go do makeup on my client because nimemchelewesha aki. And then I'll catch up with y'all. But naenda nikiwaonyesha venye huku kunakaa. Let me tell you guys something funny. When I was in the matatu coming, my head was aching literally because of this week. I was feeling ni kama I have things place like I have a stone on my head, like I was feeling the band is too tight, but immediately nimeshuka gari, I'm okay. Like hadi nashanga, funny, what's wrong? Like when I was in the matatu, it was so painful and I was so comfortable. I was so tempted to remove the wig, na ndivyo life zangu ni mbaya, but immediately nimeshuka, I'm cool. So let me show you guys around. Nimetoa hadi nini jacket, it was so hot. Let me show you guys around, but I have to call my friend to know ako side gani, because this place is kind of huge. Cool that they have hand washing stations and a disinfecting area. Wow. Let me wash my hands. So again, as you guys can see, this place is so pretty. Someone is having a baby bum shoot over there. There's a swimming pool. So today is Saturday. Welcome for Kitchen Saturday. Fish fingers. Yeah, you guys can see they have food here, so you wouldn't be hungry. But look at this. Nikusupua aki, especially if you're having a photo shoot. And then the pool. Hey, I don't know when nipitie huko nitaonyesha pool baadaye aki. I am late. You know, now I'm even confused whether to vlog or whether to first go meet my friends. But as you guys can see, aki walipeleka maji wapi. Such a pretty place. And there is a kitchen where you pikisha nyama. So cool. So this is my client. I'm going to quickly do her makeup. So this is the before. I'm gonna show you the after in a few. This is a final look. She looks so cute. Funga macho. Wow. So here is our dishes birthday setup. Guys, this place is so huge. I'm even wondering where to start showing you guys around, because it's so pretty. Funny thing, I've done a whole vlog of this place before. Like I did a whole video. It was still a birthday party, but I never got to upload it, and I think I lost the content as well. Like I've been doing content, especially before my phone got lost. I had 3 whole vlogs on that phone. But I've learned a lesson. I've learned a lesson to always back up my content, to always back up photos, to always back up my videos, because in Nairobi, you don't know when you're going to lose your phone or even your laptop. Like, it's not a safe place to live in. So let me figure out where to start all this. Because guys, let me start by showing you the birthday party where we are hosted at the place we rented, reserved. Guys, there are normally this place, there are 2 small fields. As you can see, there's this one, there's that one, there's this one. That's actually my client who is having her photo shoot, and there's the other one. So people hire these grounds for photo shoots, for events like birthdays, baby showers, wedding reception, stuff like that. And you can see, like here, if you are having a wedding here, like there are so many places you can take photos. It's such a beautiful place. So that hall there, do I call it a hall? It's called something dome. It's where we have reserved. That's where we are doing the birthday party, and we reserved at 2,000 shillings only. Because if you don't reserve and you just come and you have cake and you want to take photos, you're charged 2K. So you just pay the 2K before, so that you are allowed to come with your cake, to come with your photographer, and that's so cheap, like only 2K, and you're able to do your decor and all that. And then there's a kitchen where you can have your meals cooked. They have nyama choma, ugali, whatever. So yeah, these are the grounds that you can hire for your events. So let's go back to our party. I'll show you guys the rest of the place in a few. We have to release the photographer, so we have to, let me just go finish up first, then he can leave and I'll show you guys the places later. So guys, this is Caro. She's the one who had done the setup. So if you have a birthday and you need someone to do your decor, organize everything, or photo shoots, or any party, she is your plug. I will leave her social media down below. Because of the whole corona thing, hakuna watu wengi, but it's normally packed. So there are a lot of places where you can sit, and if you have a party, you just reserve. So this is the kitchen, the place where you order food like nyama choma, any meals that you want. Yes, these are the drinks prices. They're like normal, sindio? Soda 100 bob. Yes, so this is the pool area, although they have drained the water. It goes up to the other side. It's normally so big, but I think they drained the water because right now there are no guests because of corona. So all those cave-like things are places. It's like a restaurant, you know? That is like a restaurant. The last time I was here, we were having a party at that cave over there. Yeah. And then that building is full of games for kids. It's full of games, but I think it's closed as well. This is the reception area. Now mefunga. It's not working right now. I don't know why. As you can see, then on this side, which is like the other side of the pool, we still have seats and places where people chill. Now this whole entrance is taking us back to where we were from, Sindio. Such a nice place kupigiwa picha. And guys, these are the washrooms. They are so beautiful. They have like this African theme. Yeah, those are the washrooms. I think I've taken you guys through the whole place. Yes, so Carol,
so please follow Kathia Events.
Yes.
Follow Carol Mbuthia on Instagram, on Facebook, and bye bye. See you in
bye.
the events.